everybody, CW here. I got a package this morning. I knew it was coming. Mr. James Pugh. But I have no idea what it is. It's a good sized box, but it's not overly heavy. So, oh, there's a clue. There's some brass in here. Let's see what he sent us. Thank you very much, James. You didn't have to do this. I do appreciate it. I do very much appreciate it. Let's see what you could have found for me. This fiber tape is great stuff. Well, looks like we got a note in here, so let's see what he's got here. Thought I'd send you a big box of brass for you to load with. A mix of 380, 20 gauge, slug hulls, a few woods, and BB loads. First fired. Legend brass, washed once and tossed. Soap cleaner. Cool water for the water spots. That's important. Also some 357 SIG. Thank you, James. Most appreciated. Oh, look. I got bubble wrap. Great. I recycle this stuff, so you may see it coming back to you. All right, we got a couple of pouches. There's some 350 Legend. And I assume this is probably going to be this is the 20 gauge hulls. And this one here is probably the 380. Thank you, sir. Most appreciated. Thank you very much. I will put them all to good use. Good packaging job. Save it from the problems shipping stuff through the U.S. Postal Service. Speaking of that, if you subscribe to Jesse B, keep an eye on his channel, because he's going to have a video of some stuff I sent him recently that got the merry-go-round across the United States, well, across Ohio, and sat for days and days. It was over a week sitting there in who knows where. It said it was traveling to the next destination, and it just sat and sat and sat. We both watched it, and it just sat and sat and sat. Now, it was a pretty heavy box, so we're thinking that's what it was. But it's going to be an interesting story. I'd love to hear what Jesse's take on it was. So take a look for his video coming up pretty soon. On this one, thank you very much, James. Most appreciated. They're all clean, so I don't have to do anything with them. I will just mark them as what they are. These are probably once fired. And this stuff here is range pickup, like you said, so more than likely it's once fired as well. And being all clean, that's great. I can throw it right in my buckets. Most appreciated, sir. Thank you very much. God bless everybody. CW out.